If you are dreaming of longer, thicker hair, then today's video is right for you. I will be showing you two powerful DIY hair masks that boost your hair growth naturally. First, we have the small onion hair mask spray, a quick and easy solution to nourish your scalp and stimulate growth. And next, we have the herbal hair mask packed with traditional ingredients that strengthens your hair from root to tip. So let's get started. In this video, I am going to prepare onion juice for hair growth. Onions not only increase hair growth, it also minimizes hair fall and thinning of hair. Let's see how to make this hair pack. For the ingredients, you will need 10 to 15 small onions. You will need a lemon. Peel the onion skin. Small onions can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. They are naturally antioxidants, which is why they help to reverse the effects of premature graying. They have antibacterial properties that help to fight infections of the scalp like dandruff and lice. This vegetable lends a healthy shine to the hair, which can become permanent when used regularly. Chop it into small pieces so that it can grind well and give maximum juice. When done, put it into a mixer jar and grind until you get a very smooth paste. Using a filter, extract the juice. Cut and squeeze 1 lemon into it. Put it into a spray bottle. Section your hair and spray the juice. When you finish one section, gently comb it for the juice to get evenly spread. Finish your front section and move on to the back. Apply it on the length of the hair also. Finally, put a bun and keep it for 30 minutes. After that, wash your hair with mild herbal shampoo or shikakai. Do not blow dry your hair after this. Let the hair dry naturally. I will mix the hair pack. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa grass powder. It is called as a nagarmota or a kurekirangu powder. It is extremely useful for treating dandruff and revitalizing dull and lifeless hair. Regular use of cocoa grass powder improves the hair texture, it adds a shine and stimulates hair growth. It also prevents hair fall and premature graying of hair. Add 1 tablespoon of Bida nut powder. It is called as Bahida or Tandrikai powder in Tamil. Bahida helps in promoting hair growth and controls dandruff. This is because of its kashaya and bruksha properties. It helps to remove excess oil and keeps the scalp dry to prevent the growth of dandruff. Add 1 tablespoon of Katta. Katta helps in strengthening hair roots. It helps to reduce hair breakage and strengthens hair follicles, thereby reducing hair fall and promoting healthy hair growth. It deeply conditions the hair and provides in-depth nourishment, making it soft, smooth and bouncy. Add 1 tablespoon of Haritaki powder. Haritaki or inknut powder is extremely valuable for its role in improving hair health. It is useful for treating dandruff and hair fall. I am adding 3 teaspoons of curd. Add some water and mix it well. This is that perfect pouring consistency. Section your hair and apply this from root to tip. These unique ingredients make the root strong and hair voluminous. It reverses the damages done and provides strength, thus reducing hair fall. Let this sit for 20 minutes. After that, wash your hair with mild herbal shampoo or shikakai. These two hair masks, the small onion hair spray or the herbal hair mask, are not only money saving but also packed with nutrients that helps to nourish your scalp and promote longer, stronger hair. Do give these masks a try and let me know how it worked for you. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family who are suffering from hair fall. Until then, next time, take care.